The HMD Skyline is a mid-range phone that offers some unique features. The Skyline boasts a high refresh rate OLED screen, a capable chipset, and triple rear camera. You also get expandable storage and wireless charging. But the real highlight is its easy repairability. With just one screw, you can access the internals, making battery or screen replacement simple. Plus, you can purchase parts directly from HMD or iFixit along with the necessary tools. It's like you can buy these items like a grocery. Design-wise, the removable frosted glass back panel is smooth, smudge resistance, and comes in vibrant colors. The Skyline's old school design features sharp corners and rounded sides, with an IP54 rating for dust and water protection. The 6.55-inch OLED display has a 1080p resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and supports HDR10. It reaches a maximum brightness of 480 nits manually and 1000 nits in auto mode, suitable for outdoor use but slightly behind competitors. The static 140Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, but an adaptive 120Hz mode might save some more energy. The stereo speaker offers good loudness, though boosting the volume can compromise sound quality. The side-mounted fingerprint reader is fast, but you can trigger accidentally. Storage is expandable via microSD card, in addition to the built-in 128GB or 256GB, running near stock Android 14, with a unique custom button for quick actions. HMD promised 2 major Android updates and 3 major of security patches, though more would be expected given the DIY repair focus. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 2, the Skyline performs well but lags behind some competitors in benchmark. Its 4600 mAh battery lasts around 10 hours and 47 minutes, decent right? But not great. It supports 33-watt wired charging, and this can charge from 0 to 57% in 30 minutes. Wireless and reverse charging are included, which is rare for mid-rangers. The camera setup includes 108 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 2x telephoto, and 13 megapixel ultra wide. The main camera performs well in daylight, though colors can be blend. Low light performance improves with a night mode but can be over sharpened. The telephoto lens delivers good details during the day but struggles at night. The ultra wide camera is solid with sharp 4K video, though stabilization is only available in 1080p. The 50 megapixel front camera with autofocus produces good selfie with decent details and natural skin tones. Overall, the HMD Skyline offers DIY repairability, a unique design, expandable storage, and versatile camera. However, competitors offer better chipset, fast charging, longer battery life, and improved low light performance. If you are looking for something different and you have money, the Skyline could be worth considering. Thanks for watching. Check out our more videos and let us know what you think.